Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are cooking upma. It's Indian breakfast. We can do this breakfast in very little time. You can also learn. So I'll show you. Let's see. Actually, upma is a dish originating from the Indian subcontinent and the most popular in states of India like Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra. So let's start cooking upma. Let's add some ghee on it.
있잖아 정말 괜찮은 걸까 엄마 왜 난 실수투성이인 걸까 Step by
Let's add onions.
step by oh la 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 oh la 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 la
So now let's add water. We have to add 650 ml water, but this one is 250 ml. We can add by it 3 times. So it will become 650 ml. Let's add. So guys, finally we need to add this from us. We need to add this. Let's add.
조금씩 나 천천히 갈게 조금씩 나 기다려줄래
It will be like this. You have to mix it.
언젠가 그려왔던 미래가 so high 언제부터인지 곁에 내가 so nice oh la 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 oh la 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 있잖아 정말 괜찮은 걸까 엄마 왜난 실수도
So guys, now it's tasting time. Let's see how it was. It melts in my mouth. It was so nice. It's very healthy also, guys. Try it. It's Indian simple breakfast. Very nice. Like, share and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. See you in another video.